morning, guys. Welcome to Revin Auto 717. In this video, I'm in my buddy's shop and we are currently working on the golf cart. I'm going to do a little bit of work to it, tear it all down, and kind of just figure out what we're going to do. So I'm just going to kind of do this and I'll get back to you when I'm done. So here we go. Okay, so I got the front end off here. Just kind of going over everything, what our thoughts are to redo these A-arms, make new ones, all tubular, and then kind of utilize maybe this shock or get a different shock. Our main goal is to basically get the tire out and almost make it look like a 4Runner style long arm lift. For the rear, we're probably going to do I'll get to it a little bit, but probably going to put the axle on top just to save the chain, because right now the chain kind of could get hit stuff. We're going to get rid of this half shaft, I guess you would call it here, and just basically do a direct drive to the rear end. So I'm just going to continue working on the front here, but just trying to do a little video update on our main goals for this thing. So I'm going to keep on going, so stay tuned. Well, here it is, all broken apart. Here is all the stuff that I took off. Just kind of going through everything, seeing what the wiring looks like, seeing how everything was laid out, trying to figure out a game plan on how we want to try to simplify this. I know we were saying about moving the axle here above this right here, just to try to save the gear and everything, and the rear end and the brakes and stuff. So just kind of figuring out what our options are for it. I know we don't want to lift it up too much. I think we're going to keep it low, as low as possible, but also try to widen, I know, the front end at least, and possibly widen the rear end as well. So just try to figure it out, and I'll try to get you a sketch of what our idea is and try to figure out something. I'll probably do that here in the next day or so, just doing that, and then I'll put up a video of everything. So I'm just trying to, this is probably going to be a couple day venture of this build here, in a couple different sections. I know I stated that before, but just trying to figure everything out, how we want to make it look and all that good stuff. So finally diving in on it, and I'll keep updating with you. So here we go. I just wanted to do a little update. We were scrunching around and we found some longer coilovers from a four-wheeler, a little donor four-wheeler that we found. So I'm just taking these off here. Got this one about off here. Gonna put it on this side, but you can kind of see the difference between this one here and that one. They're a little bit longer and a lot bigger. So and the dampening's a lot better. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the A-arm off and weld up some new, make some new A-arms, and I think we're gonna probably stop with that today. But also got longer steering. We're gonna pull the steering off of that right there, and it should give us a little bit more length, and that should work pretty good for us. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll touch base with you in a little bit. So we'll see you. Bye. Especially with a fucking tire. Yeah. Not sure where it's gonna go. You would think it would go backwards.